How to recover deleted messages on Facebook Lite. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Facebook Lite. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. Again tap on Settings. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Now wait for some time. Now scroll down. Now tap on Your Information and Permissions. Now click on Download Your Information. Now tap on Download. Now select your Facebook account and tap on Next. Now tap on specific types of information. Now scroll down. Now select Messages. Now tap on Next. Now tap on Download to device. Now tap on Date Range. Now select your date range and tap on Save. Now tap on Create Files. Now wait for some time until you get the email from Facebook. Then you will be able to download your information from this page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.